Ever wondered why your soft sandwich bread is so different from a crusty baguette? It's more than just shape. Join us as we slice into the fascinating world of bread, revealing the secrets behind American white bread and French artisan loaves. At its heart, the difference between these two iconic breads boils down to four key elements. We'll explore what goes into the dough, how it's handled, how long it ferments, and how it's baked. Each loaf tells a unique story of culture and culinary tradition. American white sandwich bread is designed for convenience and consistency. It typically starts with refined wheat flour, giving it that bright white color. Milk, sugar, fats, and sometimes eggs are added for a soft, slightly sweet, and pillowy crumb. This dough is mixed quickly at a moderate hydration, around 55 to 60% water. It undergoes a rapid fermentation, proofing for just an hour or two. Baked at a gentle temperature, it develops a thin, soft crust, resulting in a mild, predictable loaf. French artisan bread, like baguettes, embraces a philosophy of minimalism and patience. Its ingredient list is simple: flour, water, yeast or sourdough starter, and salt. There are no added milk, sugar, or fats. The dough is much wetter, often 65 to 75% hydration, and mixed gently. It then undergoes a slow, cool fermentation, sometimes for 12 to 24 hours. This long process develops deep, complex flavors. Bakers hand-shape these loaves, carefully preserving gas bubbles. They are baked in a very hot, often steamy oven to create that signature crackling, blistered crust. The interior reveals a chewy texture with large, irregular holes and a slightly tangy taste. Those impressive, open holes in artisan loaves are a direct result of high hydration and careful handling. More water allows gas bubbles to expand freely during baking. This creates a more open crumb structure. This texture dramatically changes the eating experience. American white bread soaks up spreads uniformly. French bread, however, offers bursts of flavor from toppings, with its crisp crust providing a satisfying contrast. American white bread is engineered for a gentle, neutral flavor profile. Its sweetness comes from added sugars or milk. This intentional mildness allows it to complement various fillings without overpowering them. French artisan bread is anything but shy. Its flavor develops from the long fermentation process. You'll often detect toasty, nutty, or even slightly sour notes. The salt enhances these nuanced, complex flavors. Supermarket white bread, stripped of bran and germ, tends to be lower in fiber and micronutrients. The added fats and sugars also increase its calorie and glycemic impact. It's often enriched to compensate for lost nutrients. French-style white bread, while still mostly refined flour, benefits from longer fermentation. This process can slightly improve its nutritional value by breaking down anti-nutrients. Many artisan bakers also incorporate whole grains, further boosting health benefits. American white sandwich bread is built for speed and massive scale. Large bakeries use automated lines to produce hundreds of identical loaves per hour. This ensures consistency across vast distances. French bakeries, especially smaller artisan shops, often work in smaller batches. Bakers knead or stretch dough manually and shape each loaf by hand. This hands-on approach demands more time, skill, and labor per loaf. White sandwich bread in America symbolizes mid-20th century convenience. It evokes school lunches, office sandwiches, and childhood nostalgia. It's pre-sliced, soft, and uniform. French bread conjures images of neighborhood boulangeries and the aroma of fresh loaves. It represents a tradition stretching back centuries. It's often torn, not sliced, embodying a communal artisanal ritual. If you bake at home, these differences become even clearer. A basic white sandwich loaf can be made in hours with simple kneading. It's a straightforward process for a quick result. A French-style loaf, however, often involves overnight fermentation in the fridge. It requires gentle folds and specific baking techniques, like using steam. Your kitchen's rhythm shifts dramatically depending on your choice. These breads excel in different culinary roles. Sandwich bread is predictable. It toasts evenly and works perfectly for grilled cheese or deli meats. It's a reliable foundation for many meals. French bread, with its fragile crust and open crumb, begs for simplicity. It's perfect with good butter, a drizzle of olive oil, or alongside hearty stews. Its robust crust stands up well to dipping. Interestingly, these two bread philosophies have begun to influence each other. Some American bakeries now experiment with higher hydration and longer fermentations. They create hybrids with the tang of artisan bread. Conversely, some French-inspired bakeries enrich their doughs to cater to local tastes for a softer bite. This cross-pollination shows that bread is always evolving. It adapts to new tools, ingredients, and preferences. It's remarkable how a simple question about bread reveals so much history, chemistry, and culture. Mass-produced white loaves were enabled by industrial milling and distribution. French artisan bread's allure comes from tradition and regional identity. Ultimately, preference is subjective. Some crave the comforting softness of supermarket white bread. Others can't resist the crackle of an artisan crust. Both breads serve different desires and occasions. Next time you're at the bakery or bread aisle, take a moment to consider the story behind your choice. Are you drawn to the soft, consistent slice or the golden crust of slow craftsmanship? Either way, you're holding centuries of food science and tradition. If you decide to bake your own, remember it's chemistry plus patience. Choose your ingredients carefully, respect the timing, and listen to your dough. Even the humblest loaf is a testament to what happens when simple ingredients meet time and attention. Don't just eat bread, understand it. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. Subscribe for more culinary insights, and share your favorite bread in the comments below.